Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the scope. Pick 1 to 2 audiences and a specialty so your portfolio speaks directly to clients. Once chosen, gather your top 3 projects. Prioritize depth over quantity and include one challenge you solved. Next, secure a short domain and reliable hosting, and pick a CMS or static generator that lets you iterate quickly. Make sure to export assets at web sizes, name files clearly, and create a simple content plan before you build the first page. You craft case studies that sell. Start each with a one-line problem statement, then show your process and end with measurable outcomes like % lift or conversion gains. Once done, assemble visuals, hero, wireframes, prototypes, and before/after comparisons to tell a visual story. While building pages, make sure the layout is responsive, accessible, and performance-tuned. Run simple audits and optimize images. Finally, write concise captions that explain decisions so viewers quickly grasp your role and You finish by adding a strong contact CTA, an easy way to schedule or request a quote, and a downloadable resume. Then test the site across devices, validate forms, and confirm SEO basics like titles and meta descriptions are set. Once live, install analytics and backups so you can iterate based on real data. If something breaks, slow load, layout shift, or form failures, first roll back to a known good build, check console errors, and verify asset paths and server logs for the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.